Good morning, Junior 5. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will complete our final revision. Question number 2. Complete. Number 1. 4 over 12 divided 6 over 12. When we divide two fractions, we will drop down the first fraction. Okay. We will drop the first fraction and then get the inverse of the sign. Divide will become times, and we get the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of 6 over 12 will be equal 12 over 6. Yes. 4 over 12 times 12 over 6. Make simplify P4 multiply. Make simplify P4 multiply. Okay. 4 with 6, 12 with 12, or 4 with 12, or with 6, as you like. I will make 4 divide 2 equals 2. 6 divide 2 equals 3. And I will take 12 with 12. 12 divide 12 equals 1. 12 divide 12 equals 1. And then make multiply. 2 multiply 1 equals 2. 1 multiply 3 will be equal 3. Yes. Number 2, the probability of the sure event, the probability of the sure event will be equal 1. Impossible event will be equal 0. If x divide 8 equals 15 divide 24, then x will be equal what? 8 become 24. How? Yes. If you times 3 times 8 equals 24. So in here x times 3 equals 15. What is the number that you can times it by 3 and get 15? Yes, it's a 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 8 times 3 equals 24. So x will be equal 5. 2.4 decimeter will be equal how many centimeter? 2.4 decimeter. From decimeter to centimeter, from big to small, we will multiply. Multiply by what? Decimeter, centimeter. Yes, decimeter equal 10 centimeters. So you will make times 10. 2.4 times 10. If you have point and make times, you will move this point to the right according to the number of zeros. So the point will move to right. So we will cancel the point. The number will be 24 centimeter. In the opposite figure, this is the figure. Okay, this is a circle called M. Its center is M. Okay. He asks you MA equals what and equals what? Ask yourself, what is the name of MA? MA. Yes, this is MA. What is the name of MA? MA is a radius. So he asks you to get another radius. MA is a radius, MP is another radius, MC is also a radius. So we will write MB and MC. Number 2, the longest chord in this circle. The longest chord is the diameter. Yes, and this diameter is AB. AB is the longest chord called diameter. Yes. Number 6, 65.384 minus what equals 65? 65.384 minus what to get 65? Yes, 65 is the whole number in here. I want this whole number only. So I will subtract the decimal part. The decimal part is 0.384. If you don't know, make it as this. You remember far away minus in subtraction, far away minus in subtraction, far away minus. Yes, if you have a subtraction problem and the numbers are far away and the space is between them, you can what? Yes, you can make subtraction between the first number and the last number. 65.384 384 minus 65, like this. 65.384 minus 65. Make balance between the two numbers. Yes, by putting 3 zeros and make subtraction, you will get what you will get. 0.38 and 5. Okay, you will get this number, 0.384. Number 7, 3 over 25 divided what? Stay the same. 3 over 25 divided what? Equals 3 over 25. We doesn't change anything, so we will divide by 1. Any number divide by 1 equals itself. Any number divide 1 equals itself. So we will divide by 1. If x is subset of y, then x intersect y equals what? If x subset of y, x a part of y, x included in y, so the intersection will be equal the first set. The intersection will be equal the first set. But union will be equal what? Yes, union is the big set, and the big set will be y. Number 9, if the probability of a pupil succeed in an exam is 8 over 10, then the probability of his fail equals what? The sure event is 1. Its probability for succeed is 2 over 8. So the remainder will be the probability of his fail. So we will make subtraction. 1 minus 8 divide 10. The whole event is 1. 1 minus what? Minus the fraction of the pupil succeed, 8 over 10. And we know that 1 is a magic number, so I can cancel 1 and put 10 over 10. I can cancel 1 and put 10 over 10. Okay, instead on 1, 10 over 10 equals 1, but 1 is a magic, so I will put 10 over 10 instead on it and make subtraction. 10 minus 8 equals 2 over 10. Don't forget to make simplify of any fraction. 2 divide 2 equals 1. 10 divide 2 equals 5. Number 10. In the opposite figure, if ME, this is ME, ME is what? Yes, ME is a radius in the circle M. ME is a radius of the circle M. He said that ME equals 3 centimeter. Then the perimeter of a square equals what? The perimeter of a square will be equal what? Yes, if you complete this radius, okay, I will complete it. This length equal what? Yes, this length equal another 3. 3 plus 3 equal 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter equal 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter equal the side length of the square. The side length of the square. So the side length of the square equal 3 centimeter. 3 plus 3. 3 is the radius, 6 is the diameter, and the diameter equal the length of the square. So the side length of a square equal 6 centimeter. And you know the rule of perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square equal what? Perimeter of a square equal S times 4. Side length times 4, and we get the side length equal 6 centimeter. So we will multiply 6 by 4 and get 24. Okay, this is the result. Number 11. In the opposite figure, in this triangle, what is the type of this triangle according to its angles? What is the type of this triangle according to its angles? Yes, I have a right angle triangle, so this triangle called right angled triangle. Excellent. The opposite figure, the corresponding height of the base BC, the corresponding height of the base BC. This is the base BC. Okay, what is the corresponding height? The corresponding height is AP. The corresponding height is AB. Corresponding means opposite height, opposite altitude. Okay, the opposite altitude or corresponding height is AP. Number 12. The shaded part in this shape, the shaded part represent to what? Yes, all element in X but not in Y. So it called X difference Y. X difference Y. Okay, X difference Y. A circle of a radius length 1. Circle of a radius equal 1 centimeter. Then its diameter length equal what? If I have a circle, okay, circle and its radius 1. So its diameter will be equal 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Number 14. 4.6798 approximately equal what? If you approximate it to the nearest hundreds. Yes, as the first, circle your target. Where is your target? My target is the hundredths place. Where is the hundredths place? The hundredths place is 7. And look at the number in previous 7. Previous 7 is 9. Ask 9, are you rich or poor? I am rich. So 9 will increase 7 by 1 to be 8. So the final result will be 4.68. 15. 2 and quarter times what? Equals 1. 2 and quarter times what? Equals 1. You know that any fraction times its reciprocal equals 1. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal means upside down. But in here I can't get the reciprocal of 2 and 1 over 4 without convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So if you get the improper fraction, you will get 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 over what? Yes, 9 over 4. What is the reciprocal of 9 over 4? Yes, it's 4 over 9. Upside down. Number 16. 3,978 divided what equals 3.978. In here I don't have a point, but in the result I have a point. The point after how many digits? The point after 1, 2, 3. So I make divided by 1000. In divide, I will move the point to the left. I will move the point to the left according to the number of zeros. If you move the point, this is the point. If you move the point to the left, the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, you will get point between 3 and 9. So this result is correct. 4.85 approximately equal what to the nearest tens? Yes, circle your target. Where is your target? My target is 8. Ask 5, are you rich or poor? I am rich. So 8 will be 9. 18. When tossing a die once, the probability of getting the number 3 is what? The probability of getting a number 3, I have 1 3 in a die. So I will write the number you want up and the total down. Okay? Number you want, I have 1 3, so the number is 1. And the total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the total faces in the die equal 6. Okay, so the result will be 1 over 6. 19. 48.4 divided by 4. You can make it without long division. Okay, you can make it without long division. 4 divided 4 equals 1. 8 divided 4 equals 2. Put point. 4 divided 4 equals 1. If you want to make it as long division, this is the steps. Okay, 4 divided 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. Make subtraction. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 8 and do divide again. 8 divided 4 equals 2. Make times. 2 times 4 equals 8. Make subtraction. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Point up and bring down the number. Bring down the next number 4. Make divide. 4 divided 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. Make subtraction. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Don't forget the steps. Divide, multiply, minus, bring down again. Okay, divided, multiply, minus, bring down again. Divided, multiply, minus, bring down again. Number 20. A circle of diameter length 4 cm. Then its radius length equals what? Circle, its diameter is 4. Diameter 4. Then its radius equal, radius, divide diameter by 2. 4 divide 2 equal 2. Yes. If x equals the set of 1, 2, 5, and 7, y equals 1, 5, and 3, then x intersection y equals what? What is the meaning of intersection? Intersection means common element between two sets. Common element between two sets. Common element between two sets. What is the common element between these two sets? 1? Yes. 2? No. 5? Yes. 7? No. So the common element will be equal 1 and 5. 5 and 1. Order is not important. Order is not important. 22. From the opposite figure, find x intersect y. X intersect y. What is the common element between x and y? This is the intersection part. This is the intersection part. 4 is the intersection between x and y. The common element between x and y. X union y. Union means all elements in x and y without repetition. Without repetition. Yes. Without repetition. X union y. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. In here put comma. Okay. X difference y. X difference y means what? Means the element in x but not in y. Elements in x, not in y. Element in the first set, not in the second set. X is the first set. Yes. X difference y. So what is the element in x, not in y? Yes, it's 2 and 3. Y difference x means the element in y not in x. What is the element in y not in x? Yes, it's 5. The complement of x. Complement of x means cancel the set of x. Cancel the set of x. The set of x contains 4 and 2 and 3. Cancel it and take the other elements 5 and 6. So we will write 5 and 6. When tossing a die once, the probability of getting an even number equal what? We said before that even number, the probability of even number in a die equal half. the probability of even number equal half, the probability of odd number equal half, the probability of a prime number equal half. Yes, it's 2 and 3 and 5. Count these elements. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 over total. Total equals 6. And make simplify. 3 divide 3 equal 1. 6 divide 3 equal 2. So the result equal half. So even, odd, prime equal half. The probability of even or odd or prime equals half. The last one. From the table, this is a table. From the table, game, number of pupils, game is football, basketball and handball. Number of pupils play football, 50 pupils. Number of pupils play basketball, 40 pupils. Number of pupils that play handball or 10 pupils. He asks you, what is the probability of a pupil play basketball? The probability that a pupil plays basketball. What is the probability? Yes, the probability of basketball, the number he want up and the total down. Oh, what is the total? What is the total? The total is 50 plus 40 plus 10. 50 plus 40 plus 10. Okay? 50 plus 40 plus 10 will be equal 100. Okay, this is the total. Total is 1. Number he want up, total down. 40 over 100. 40 over 100, fly 0 with 0. 4 divide 10. 4 divide 2 equals 2. 10 divide 2 equals 5. So the final result will be equal to over 5. That's all for today. Okay, thank you and goodbye.